Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Fanttik Zeta X6 Pro folding table. Okay, so let's get right into it. As you know, I've reviewed several of these outdoor tables. This is the X6 Pro and it's a 6-foot folding table. So this is it in the folding position. You have the handle, very light, and it's compact when it's in the folded position. And it's easy to store. So looking at it, got a nice solid top with the Fanttik branding on each side. And then unfolding it, just want to pull like so. You can see the honeycomb design on the bottom, just like the other tables. And then you have the locking mechanism here. So once it's upright, it will lock into place. And then the legs just pull out and lock into place like so. All right, bringing the table up. You can see it's easy to just unfold. And then there's 3 height adjustments, 22, 24, and 29 inches. And in order for you to adjust it, you can see this yellow button. So just press it. Right now it's on 22 inches. So press it. That brings it to 24 inches. So this is 24 inches. And then adjusting it again, you have 29 inches. So just press the button and it clicks into place. Max load is 375 pounds. And again, this is the 6-foot table. So it's 6 feet by 2.5 feet. So this is it fully assembled at the 29-inch height. So folding it back, it's very simple. Again, we're at the 29-inch height. So you just wanna press the yellow button here, lower it back down to 22 inches. I'll just flip it like this so you can see. The legs, they have this locking mechanism here, so you just want to press that in. And it also has a clamp here where it will secure itself into place. Then you just fold it like so. So now you can store it and transport. So that's a look at the Fanttik Zeta X6 Pro folding table. Again, this is the 6-foot version, easy to fold and unfold, perfect for the outdoors, and you can transport it easily and store it. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out, along with the other Fanttik Zeta products.